In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing Outlook calendar after upgrading to New Outlook. Open New Outlook on your computer. Once it loads, click the calendar icon in the left sidebar to switch into the calendar view. Now look over to the left panel and find the section called My Calendars. This is where your available calendars appear. Check whether your calendar is listed there, and if it is listed but the checkbox beside it is unchecked, click that checkbox to enable it so the calendar becomes visible again. If the calendar still is not showing, move to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. In the Settings window, go to the left sidebar and click Accounts. Here, check whether the email account that originally had your calendar is listed. If that account is missing, click Add Account. When the email field appears, click into it and enter your email address. As you type, complete the sign-in process by following the prompts on screen to reconnect the account. Once the account has been added successfully, close the Settings window. If the calendar is still missing after reconnecting the account, go to the top right corner and toggle off New Outlook. If a feedback prompt appears, skip it. This switches you back to Classic Outlook. Once Classic Outlook opens, go into the Calendar section and select your calendar from the left panel so the correct calendar is active. Then move to the top menu and click File. In the File menu, click Save Calendar. This opens the Save As dialog. Choose a location you can find easily later, such as the desktop. After selecting that location, click Save to export the calendar file. When the export finishes, go back and toggle New Outlook on again so the app switches back to the newer version. After New Outlook opens, click Calendar in the left sidebar. In the left panel, click Add Calendar. From the options that appear, click Upload from File. Then click Browse and locate the calendar file you just exported. Select the file, then choose which calendar it should be saved into. After that, click Import and wait for the upload to finish. At this point, your missing calendar should be back in New Outlook. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the calendar still does not appear, the next part is to repair Outlook from Windows settings. First, make sure Microsoft Outlook is fully closed before you continue. Once Outlook is closed, press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. In Settings, click Apps in the left sidebar. Then click Installed Apps. At the top of the Installed Apps page, click into the search bar and type Outlook. Wait a moment for the results to filter. When Outlook appears in the list, click the three dots next to it. From that menu, click Advanced Options. This opens the App Settings page for Outlook. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. In that section, click Repair. Windows will begin repairing Outlook without removing your data. Wait for the repair process to complete. The time this takes can vary, so stay on that screen until the repair finishes. Once the repair is done, open Outlook again. After it launches, return to the Calendar section and check whether your calendar is now visible. If the earlier issue was caused by the app not syncing correctly after the upgrade, this repair process restores the Outlook installation, so the calendar can load properly again. The full process is to first check whether the calendar is simply hidden, then verify the account is connected in New Outlook, then export and re-import the calendar by switching temporarily to Classic Outlook, and finally repair the Outlook app in Windows if the calendar still does not return. By working through each part in order, you cover the common causes of a missing calendar after upgrading to New Outlook.